Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest tech offerings to help you make informed decisions. Today, we've got something special in the lineup: the Antec NX200 M White Micro-ATX tower. Let's dive right into it. The NX200 M is a compact yet powerful mini tower computer case designed to meet the demands of modern gaming and PC building. It comes equipped with a 120mm rear fan pre-installed, ensuring efficient airflow right out of the box. The mesh design on the front panel further enhances ventilation, keeping your components cool during intense gaming sessions. Let's talk specs. This case supports up to M-ATX motherboards, offering versatility for various build configurations. It accommodates up to two 3.5 HDDs or two 2.5 SSDs, providing ample storage options for your gaming library. With support for graphics cards up to 275mm in length and CPU coolers up to 150mm tall, you'll have plenty of room to unleash your gaming potential. The NX200 M features a sleek white exterior with tempered glass side panel, allowing you to showcase your build with pride. Its minimalist design fits seamlessly into any gaming setup, while the compact form factor saves valuable desk space. The large mesh front panel not only looks stylish but also ensures excellent airflow to keep your components running smoothly. So, what's the user experience like? Well, customers have praised the NX200 M for its value, ease of construction, and overall performance. Many have found it to be an excellent choice for budget gaming builds, offering a balance of quality and affordability. However, some users have noted concerns about cable management and material quality, so it's essential to keep those aspects in mind. In conclusion, the Antec NX200 M White Micro-ATX tower packs a punch in terms of features and performance, making it a compelling choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts alike. Its compact size, efficient airflow, and sleek design make it a standout option in the crowded market of PC cases. And that wraps up our review of the Antec NX200 M. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth tech reviews. Until next time, happy gaming!